Engines roared and dust flew as Dirt University held its open shakedown in Angat, Bulacan. Off-roaders took on the rough and rugged terrain to shake down their builds and sharpen their skills.
Hi, I'm Mark. Kasama ko si Peng, asawa ko. This is really a super fun-filled day for us. Enjoy kami maglaro sa putik using real cars, no? And it's parang parang pangarap to kasi hindi mo naman magagawa sa kalsada to. But here, nag-enjoy kami. Pinakending-kending namin, pinaiyak namin yung gulong. Lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa sasakyan pwede.
Pwedeng maging kas-kasi.
Overall, nag-enjoy kami. Actually, 100% i-recommend namin to, no? Sa mga kaibigan natin.
Hi, I'm Ricky Sugitan. I'm now a retired government employee. But I used to race na rin, slalom. Ito yung first na gusto ko sana ever since rally. And I think Dirt U is the best avenue to start your racing career, rally racing career. So I think I have it. I had the best decision. Mga dating racers na mga nakakasama ko, nakita ko kayo, sasabihan ko kayo, sumama kayo rito. And yung mga bago na rin na hindi pa nagre-race, maganda siguro try nyo to, maganda to.
How was your experience and what do you feel?
I'm very happy that I was able to experience such a good course, and also the people around and the organizers are really awesome, so very supportive. Ganda. Honestly, I've been rallying since 2018. 2018-19 with Philippine Rallycross Championship. So I'm happy to be back and also see some fresh faces. So at least hearing your goals that you want to reach out to the younger crowd, you've achieved it very well.
I'm an enthusiast in motorsports racing. So more on slalom ako, autocross and track or circuit. So yeah, galing po ako sa Gymkhana, and yeah, first time dirt run ko today using Honda CR-V na yung 99. Experience ko today is very fun. Nag-start ako actually sa dry, sa dry, then bumaliktad, naging mud. So yung first runs ko was faster than sa mga next runs. Yung experience is very different from tarmac. So maraming matututunan, especially to control the car.
Grabe, nung siya na yung nagdadrive, talagang natakot ako. Pero na ako yung nagdadrive, sabi ko, hindi, okay lang yan. Kaya ko naman yan. Sabi ko gano'n. Yun, ang sarap ng feeling na kasama mo yung husband mo dito sa experience na to. Kaya talagang ang goal ko, bumuo ko ng kotse para pang rally. Ayun.
Ano yung highlight ng ng araw mo? Kwentuhan mo naman kami, sir, kung ano ba yung feeling?
Solo riding, yung mag-isa na lang ako nagko-control. Lakas ang parang tatapon eh.
Okay.
Pero okay yung car. So mga tropa, gusto nyo i-try Dirt University, Sir Jeff, number 1.
Today, aspiring to be a racer, so instead of humaharuro tayo sa kalye, diba, do it in a safe environment. You have this wonderful event here, Dirt University. Highly recommended, very beginner friendly. So if problema mo yung auto, no need to worry. Pero sila mga auto dito free for you to use, not totally free, may bayad yung course but then again, it's a very fun experience, highly recommended. Do try to sign up on the next event. Good luck, Dirt U.
VJ Bakungan. I am the President and Executive Director of Angel Speed and the Race Director of Gymkhana Pilipinas. And of course, I'm also a racing driver. Today, we attended the Dirt University Open Shakedown and Rally Clinic. We had 5 or 6 drivers from Gymkhana Pilipinas. Some of them first time ever po nila sa dirt. And they really had a good time and they really learned a lot from today's event. No? Some of the highlights that came from today, I definitely recommend Dirt University Philippines for everybody who wants to learn dirt. I never had this privilege when I was starting in dirt. So a lot of my drivers are so fortunate, and kudos kila Jos Solidum, Alex Gabriel and Boss Warren Gabriel for organizing such a wonderful event. Even in these conditions, it was safe, it was fun, it was educational, and don't forget to like their official Facebook page and their social media page as well.
From first-timers to seasoned dirt drivers, the Open Shakedown gave everyone a taste of raw off-road action. With more events in the pipeline, Dirt University is proving to be the training ground for future champions.